the Jaguar Vehicle Service Contract. Extend your peace of mind and offset expensive repair costs with the Jaguar Vehicle Service Contract that delivers benefits beyond the Jaguar Factory warranty. The Jaguar Vehicle Service Contract includes nationwide service, 24-hour roadside assistance, 24-hour emergency towing, trip interruption coverage, and generous claim limits up to the purchase price of your Jaguar. A Jaguar Vehicle Service Contract provides extensive coverage against unexpected mechanical and electrical component failure. Here's a list of just a few of the covered components. Plus, covered repairs under the Jaguar Vehicle Service Contract always use genuine Jaguar parts and are serviced by Jaguar-approved technicians. Get expert protection for your investment and reduce the cost of ownership with the Jaguar Vehicle Service Contract.